independence through dependence. My dear friends, normally, if we start depending on a person, we have to be accountable to him. We become slaves. So, we don't want to depend on people. Because once we depend on people, we get stuck with that person. So, if that person is wavering, his mind state is in flux, you will be in trouble. It's because you depend on a wavering bamboo, not a strong tree. So that's where the Lord is asking today, you should not depend on people. You should not depend on things. Nothing of this world. You have to depend on Him. Because once you depend on Him, you will be independent. Normally, when we depend, we lose our independence. We become stuck. We are being controlled by that people, by those people. So that's where the Lord is asking, the Lord is saying, when the disciples were sent on a mission, He gathered them, empowered them to cast out demons, preach the good news, and then He sent them. Sending them means they go away from the Lord. Not spiritually, rather physically. So, if you don't feel Him physically, not even in your mind, you find it very difficult. That's a place exactly where you are lost, completely stranded. And the Lord is saying, in that gap, in that no man's land, you should not depend yourself on people. That's why the Lord is saying, you should not take anything extra, anything in your journey. Neither staff, no bag, no bread, no money. Staff is for protection. So the Lord is going to protect you. You have to depend on Him. And bag for His providence, Jehovah Jireh, He is going to provide you, and you have to depend on Him. No bread, that's physical energy. So man does not live by bread alone. So you have to depend on Him. Money for your consumption, all your needs, He is going to complete it. So you have got to depend on Him. Not even a spare tunic. No clothes. Because you have to depend on Him for warmth. And this is a beautiful calling, my dear friends. The Lord is assuring, the moment you depend on Him, you are independent. You don't have to worry about anything. You are independent means you are free, completely free. Free of any attachment, free of any addiction. You are simply depend on Him. You know that He's going to protect you. He's going to safeguard you. He's going to direct you. He's going to strengthen you. That's where the Lord is saying. And wherever they don't welcome you, leave the town and shake the dust from your feet. It will be as a testimony against them. So if they don't accept you, you don't have to break your head, break your heart over that. Simply take it as it is. Just dust. Leave the dust and go. That dust would be a witness. So don't take anything in your heart. You don't have to harbor any bitterness in your heart. People will reject you. People won't accept you. People won't understand you. Yet, you have a journey because you are sent by the Lord and you have to go back to Him. You are accountable to Him. So, the more you depend on Him, the more you are independent. But then the more you depend on people, you lose your independence. You lose your freedom. They become a pain in your neck. It will be hard for you to journey forward, move forward. So think about it. Reflect upon it. Are you really depending on people? Your salary, your promotion, your worldly situations? Never. Just depend on Him, and He will directly guide you, lead you on the right path. Think about it, my dear friends, and have a nice day. May God bless you.